Greetings everyone. Today we will do question number 14 of exercise 6.3 and the question is side AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So it means there are two triangles ABC and PQR in which AD and PM are their medians and given is side AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC is proportional to side PQ, PR and median PM of triangle PQR. This is given to us. Side AB, AC and median AD are proportional to side PQ, PR and median PM. Now, to prove is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now see, there are two sides AB and AC and triangle AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR. These two sides are proportional to these two sides and we have to similarize the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So the basic thing, the thing that we need is how to equate angle A equal to angle P. If angle A is equal to angle P and these two sides are proportional, then the triangle will be similar by SAS. So the thing is, by anyhow we have to prove angle A is equal to angle P. For this we will do construction. And the construction is produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE and join EC. In the same way, produce PM to N such that PM is equal to MN and join NR. Construction. Produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE and join EC. Similarly, produce PM to N such that PM is equal to MN and join NR. Okay, so let's start with proof. First of all, take triangle. In triangle ADB and triangle EDC. AD is equal to DE by construction. Angle 1 is equal to 2 vertically opposite angle. And BD is equal to DC because AD is the median. So, these two triangles are congruent. ADB is congruent to triangle EDC by SAS. And if these two triangles are congruent, then we can write AB is equal to EC and angle 3 equal to angle 4 by CP CT. Similarly, in the triangle P and Q would be congruent to triangle NMR. So we can write similarly we can prove triangle PQM is congruent to triangle NRM. PQ would be equal to NR and angle phi would be equal to angle 6 by CP CT. And this will be by SAS. So this is our first step. Now, in second step, we have been given AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. This is given to us. Okay. But AB is equal to EC. So we can replace AB by EC. And PQ is equal to NR. So replace PQ by NR. AC upon PR and AD. We can write AD as half of AE and PM as half of PM, because AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to MN. So AD is half of AE and PM is half of half of PM. Cut 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. So the result is EC upon NR. EC upon NR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AE upon PM. That means triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR by SSS similarity criteria. And if the two triangles are similar, then we can write angle 7 is equal to angle 8 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6 by CPST. This is our step number 2. Now there is last step. We have proved angle 3 is equal to 5. Angle 3 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 6 and 4 is equal to 6. This is all proved above. Now see, if 4 is equal to 6, then 3 is also equal to 5. 3 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 6, but 4 is equal to 6. So we can write 3 is also equal to 5. And 7 is equal to 8, we have proved above this one. So by adding the two, angle 3 plus 7 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 8. 3 plus 7 becomes angle A and 5 plus 8 becomes angle P. This was our requirement. Angle A is equal to angle P. So now angle A equal to P and AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. This is given to us. So we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side. So there are 3 steps to prove this question: first, second and third. By learning these 3 steps, you can solve this question. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.